Hi class, today we're going to be discussing data sets and information management in healthcare and nursing practice. As senior level BSN students, it's important for you to understand the impact that both data sets and information management play into nursing practice within the healthcare organizations and how they also affect patient care, safety, and patient outcomes. So first we're going to talk about data sets. What are healthcare data sets and why are they important? A data set is a collection of related sets of information composed of separate items which can be processed as a unit by a computer. Healthcare data sets are the key pillar for efficient and meaningful use of the information and collaboration of healthcare professionals, care providers, insurers, and government agencies. They are important in healthcare because they are a great source of information for understanding health disparities and addressing health inequities in patient populations. Healthcare data sets gather information about services that individual patients receive during encounters with the healthcare system. By gathering information, healthcare systems can create holistic views of patients, personalize their treatments, advance treatment methods, improve communication between doctors and patients, and enhance health outcomes. Costs are also reduced by skipping patient care practices that are redundant, by identifying patient behaviors outside of healthcare institutions so that we can help establish healthier habits and reduce needs for assistance, and also help to reduce the chronic diseases by encouraging health promotion while predicting patient risk by identifying parts of the population that are most likely to experience certain medical issues. These help to ensure a healthier population while cutting costs. Big data and software helps flag potential errors and potentially devastating mistakes. And they also help advance in healthcare sector. The data helps to determine opportunities for improvement. It helps to document the impact of interventions on the outcome or plan of care for the clinical conditions or topics. It also measures performance, whether to improve outcomes, reduce mortality, improve the discharge, or assess the quality of healthcare the patient receives. Some examples in healthcare: improve staffing. For instance, if you put on too many workers, you run the risk of having unnecessary labor costs. If you put on too few workers, you can have poor customer service outcomes, which can be fatal for patients in the industry. Big data helps to solve the problem. Data from a variety of sources comes up with daily and hourly predictions of how many patients could be expected at each hospital and how much staff to put on for each particular day. Electronic health records. It's the most widespread application of big data in medicine. Every patient has his own or her own digital record, which includes their demographic, their medical history, any allergies, and any laboratory test results, and etc. Records are shared via secured information systems and are available for providers from both the public and private sectors. Every record has one modifiable file, which means that doctors can implement changes over time without any paperwork and no danger of the data replicating. Electronic health records can also trigger warnings and reminders when a patient should get a new lab test or track prescriptions to see if the patient has been following the doctor's orders. Real-time alerting. That is another example of big data in which It is a software that helps analyze the medical data right on the spot, which provides health practitioners with advice as they make prescriptive decisions. Also, because doctors want patients to stay away from hospitals to avoid costly in-house treatments, patients are encouraged to wear what's called wearables, which helps to collect the patient's health data continuously, and then this data is sent into the cloud. So this information could be accessed in the database, in the state of health, or in the general public, which will allow doctors to compare this data in also socioeconomic contexts, and also enhancing patient engagement. Potential patients already have an interest in smart devices that record every step they take, their heart rates, their sleeping habits, etc. on a permanent basis. This vital information can be coupled with other trackable data to identify potential health risks. Like I had mentioned before, the wearables that are also under development, tracking specific health trends and relaying them to the cloud where physicians can monitor them. For instance, patients suffering from asthma or blood pressure could benefit from it and become a bit more independent and reduce unnecessary visits to the doctor. Using health data for informed strategic planning. The use of big data in healthcare allows for strategic planning thanks to the better insights into people's motivations. Care managers can analyze checkup results in different demographic groups and identify the factors that discourage people from taking up treatment. Big data can also help reduce fraud and enhance security because personal data is extremely valuable and profitable on the black market, so any breach would have dramatic consequences. But advances in security such as encryption technology, firewalls, antivirus software, etc. answer the need for more security. Telemedicine, with the arrival of online video conferences, smartphones, wireless devices, and wearables, it's come into full bloom. This helps deliver remote clinical services using technology. It's used for primary consultations, initial diagnoses, remote patient monitoring, and medical education. Also included in telemedicine is telesurgery. Doctors can actually perform operations with the use of robots and high-speed real-time data without actually physically being in the same location with the patient. Telemedicine can be used to personalize the treatment plans and prevent hospitalization. Integrating big data with medical imaging. Medical imaging is really vital, and each year in the U.S., about 600 million imaging procedures are performed. So by storing manually these images, this can be expensive, both in terms of time and money. So with technology, it could be possible that radiologists would no longer need to look at the images, but instead analyze the outcomes of the algorithms. And this would most likely, in turn, create further education for radiologists. And then another way is to prevent unnecessary ER visits, saving time, money, and energy using big data. Software and medical records would be able to provide information such as if the patient has already received tests, if they've already had a consult with a case manager, what their story's been. That way we can develop personalized plans of care, continue continuity of care, reducing costs, and not having patients undergo duplicate testing or consults. Next, we're going to be discussing information management. Information management is the practicing of acquiring, analyzing, and protecting digital and traditional medical information, which is vital to providing quality patient care. Health information management professionals, or also known as HIM, work in a variety of settings and job titles. They care for patients by caring for their medical data. They're essential to ensure patient information. The HIM involves medical coding and billing, compliance with government regulations, handles customer requests for personal health information, Information management professionals work with all healthcare providers and departments, so across the board within all disciplines. A few examples are the electronic medical record, which is the collection of patient and population electronically stored health information. Practice management software, which is software that deals with day-to-day operations of medical practice. It stores patient data such as names, demographics, insurance, and contact. The Master Patient Index is a database used by healthcare organizations to maintain accurate medical data. Patient portals are an online application that allows patients to interact and communicate with their healthcare providers. Remote patient monitoring is like telemedicine, enables monitoring of patients outside the clinical settings. Clinical decision supports is designed to provide physicians and other health professionals with assistance within their clinical decision-making tasks. And why do they matter? Well, they matter because they have an impact both on patient care and on nursing practice. It improves patient safety, they improve quality of care, they improve the continuity of care, it increases the performance measures, decreases medical errors, increases the patient involvement, and increases patient monitoring. And as I mentioned above, before, telemedicine, the patient portals, the electronic records, keeping track of patient demographics, making sure that you're recognizing patients at higher risk for chronic diseases. Those are all things that come into play by using data sets and information management technology. And the impact on nursing practice. Before these came about, we were charting with paper. So as you can imagine, there was many errors, and now everything's electronic. So this helps to ensure patient safety, increasing and improving collaboration among the disciplines and departments. All the disciplines and departments work together and talk among each other. We can see them in the notes and the charts, and we can see the consults and the requests for consults, and etc. This also helps improve the monitoring of the clinical status because we can monitor the changes both in the hospital and outside of the hospitals with the telemedicine and the wearables that patients are using. It helps ensure quality improvement, and then care plans are specific to each patient. That's individualized and personalized because each patient has a specific issue or concern going on, and because we're able to follow them so closely with this advanced data sets and information management, patients are happier that each care plan is individualized to their needs and what they need. So in summary, data sets and information management are valuable components to healthcare and healthcare organizations. Because they make such an impact on patient care and nursing practice, it's important for nurses to understand how these two topics affect healthcare. By managing the wealth of available healthcare data, it allows health systems to create holistic views of patients, personalize their treatments, improve communication, and enhance their health outcomes. I hope this was very informative. Thank you for listening to this presentation. We'll continue on at a later date.